So what's up guys, and welcome back to another video of Knocking Weathers. This is me Palash, and today we have with us the Saregama Carvaan Mini, which is the Legends. So basically this is a Bluetooth speaker, and it also has 351 super hit retro Hindi songs. So today we'll be unboxing this product. So let's get started with the video. So basically this is how the Legends, the speaker looks like, and this is the price and other few details here. And no internet required here, as you can see, and it has Bluetooth, and again 351 super hit songs inside. So yes, let's get started with the video. It's not just a Bluetooth speaker. So a user manual right here, and a few other guides. So here is the Legend speaker, and in the box contents we also have a USB charging cable. So basically this is the speaker itself. Here it has a aux port, and here is the on off button and volume, and to shift or pause or play the songs. And it has a rubber gripping here so that you can firmly keep it on the floor. And behind, as you can see, it has a antenna which will be used for the FM radio. So you can basically use it this way. Charging port here, aux port, and USB port. And this port right here is for headphones. So let's power it on. So here you can change the modes, as in Saregama will mean the super hit songs which are loaded inside, and this is the FM option, and Bluetooth which you can connect through your phone. So we'll be trying the FM mode. So this indicates that the FM mode is on. Change to Bluetooth mode, and now let's connect it to the phone. So right now we'll be connecting it via Bluetooth, and yes, it is connected. And let me show you playing a few songs on this. So playing the songs from Bluetooth. Change the song. So guys, this was it for the video. This was the Saregama Mini Legends speaker, and this has really some very good options and has really good sound quality. So guys, this was it for the video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.